Hi friends, this video shows how to adjust pressure of this Qubo inflator. First let me turn on. For that we need to just press and hold this power button. Press and hold power button. See, now this is on. So next I will show you how we can adjust pressure. So we have two options. Option 1, we can use this preset button to select preset pressure. Just press this button. This is a preset pressure for car, preset pressure for motorcycle, pressure for bicycles, then pressure for football. I have changed all these values. This is a method 1. Method 2, you can use this minus and plus buttons. That way we can set custom values here. See, done. First select the pressure that you need, then you can connect this end of the hose to football or car tire, then again press this power button to start. Okay, then again press the power button to stop. So this way we can use it. And here you can see the required value, pressure value, and on top you can see the current value. So when these two values are matching, at that moment it will automatically stop. So next I will show you how we can turn off. Again press and hold power button. That way we can turn off. See, done. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.